In this video, I'm going to be going over and answering the question, does HostGator accept Bitcoin as a form of payment when signing up with them? By the end of this video, you will know whether or not HostGator accepts Bitcoin as a payment method. I'll also be providing you with an exclusive HostGator promo code that HostGator is providing me with so you can save some money on your HostGator domain name and web hosting purchase. You will get up to 66% off HostGator hosting plus a free domain name for annual plans or a domain discount for non-annual plans. To take advantage of the HostGator discount, just click the link in the description below and enter the promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome HostGator discount. Let's get started with the HostGator Bitcoin video. So does HostGator accept Bitcoin as a form of payment? HostGator does not accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. If you're wanting to make a payment via Bitcoin for your web hosting purchase, a popular web hosting company that I recommend that does accept Bitcoin as a form of payment is Hostgator. I provide a link to Hostgator below with a promo code so you can save some money if you decide to go with them and make your payment via Bitcoin. Hostgator has over 29 million users worldwide and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. At the Hostgator checkout, under the Select Payment section, choose the Coin Payments option to pay via Bitcoin. At the bottom, when you click the Submit Secure Payment button, you can then input the information for the Bitcoin payment. I hope this HostGator Bitcoin video helped you answer the question of whether HostGator accepts Bitcoin as a form of payment. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.